So there's many different topics that are covered in the courses. Obviously many of them are tree related. Many of the subjects are interlinked with a lot of crossover between them. Some of the important topics are health and safety, tree law and legislation, tree identification, pests and diseases, and this covers a lot of tree decay fungi and invertebrate pests, tree planting and aftercare, chainsaw use and tree felling, tree climbing and habitat management. So the City and Guilds qualifications have a strong theory element to them, and approximately 2/3 of the lessons are classroom based. There are obviously practical elements, and the practical parts of the course cover predominantly tree planting, chainsaw maintenance and practical habitat management. That will be in the level 2 and the level 3 courses. When you get to the level 3 courses, you will be then using chainsaws, so there'll be chainsaw use and tree felling. There'll be tree climbing and also machinery operations. Practical lessons can be very demanding, so will require students to be physically fit. Practical lessons will also require appropriate PPE and sensible clothing, so we do send out specific kit lists, with the level 3 kit list especially being one that's sort of important in terms of the actual chainsaw use. So the City and Guild technical qualifications are exam based, so the grades are ultimately awarded as pass, merit or distinction. Both the level 2 and the level 3 qualifications have a health and safety exam, a theory exam and a synoptic exam. Now these synoptic exams are holistic exams which will incorporate many different subjects over the course, and will include both theory and practical elements in the exams. The level 3 qualifications also have assignment and project work that needs to be completed to pass the course as well. So all students will be expected to find a suitable work placement. Ideally, this would be tree work related, but actually anything in the land-based industry would also be appropriate. Contacting and finding a work provider is all part of a student's development and progression into the work environment, so we do encourage students to complete this process independently or with the help of a parent or guardian or even friends. We can help in this process, but we find it's more beneficial to the student if they undertake this process initially themselves. Many of the students that we have continue to work with their work providers once they have completed the course. So ultimately they will be working with tree surgery or forestry companies. However, strong candidates can also look towards working as tree surveyors or tree officers, site managers, machine operators, tree scientists or ecologists or forest rangers. They can even go on to undergraduate study as well, undertaking degrees or even going on to do masters. The qualifications in this subject can lead to all sorts of opportunities throughout the UK. We do even have occasionally companies coming from abroad, maybe New Zealand or Australia, asking for whether or not students would be interested to go work overseas as well. So the qualifications you get with these courses really will open quite a few doors in terms of where you might want to take the skills that you get from them. For more details on the various courses on offer, including apprenticeships and short courses, please visit our website.